Menteri Ketenat Nongjngohkai ke Jelau bak pol Lyngdoh Ong baka jingkang di katu kat ni kiseng bahalangi kali bawan na asam bat let sokra bat dauki ladep ban penben. Ong bayar kini kemat ladep ru banyatai hayeng dor ba tauan hakaba ulakam baka Jingwan jong kinong Nongjngohkai tang baka long kumba ka julong Henry kelanang Kiew. Ngau scam baka jing pelong ya ka Cherry Blossom Festival bat ka concert jong Brian Adams kan kring ya ki briau na keleng keri.
State government had immediately taken care of the situation, addressed the situation. The matter was discussed at length in the State Assembly, and today I can safely claim that the footfalls have not only returned but have increased. And as we proceed with the various festivals, the Cherry Blossom Festival, the Brian Adams concert, and others, Alan Walker concert, all of these are going to attract huge footfalls from across the country, and I'm confident that every responsible and well-meaning citizen of Meghalaya will ensure that they behave in a manner which is conducive to peace and prosperity.
Kakenhun hapok ke Jinglam ke Menteri